Yes, there will be opposition. But opposition with Moses can win if they have the structure. But this one, with your prayer, earlier on today, I will bring the trophy home. Amen. We will change the course of history by the grace of God. And they themselves recognize that it's not just a Yoruba thing. When we get together sometimes, they will tell me, don't load everything with Yoruba. Our people are watching you. Our action plan is progressive. Not everything you can put in a booklet. And no Chibunduba, we recognize that. And governance is tempting and complex. But I promise Nigeria that we will turn this ship around by the grace of God. Baba, thank you. Another challenge. Yes. You have to survive.
Beyond inauguration.
Beyond the inauguration. That's the challenge, sir. And governance is tempting and complex. But I promise Nigeria that we will turn this ship around by the grace of God. Baba, thank you. Another challenge. Yes. You have to survive.
Beyond inauguration.
Beyond the inauguration. That's the challenge, sir. And God will make you keep that promise. We help you in all ways. So my colleagues, my politicians are around here. You are good. The celebration is yours. The confidence is yours. The promise is yours. The hope is yours. Let's keep on working. Let's pull together. That's why Jabumila knows. A madman's vote is equal to Alaafen's vote. One is one. One ballot is one ballot. So, you know how to treat them. We thank God. Baba, this is a copy of our agenda. We can't put everything in it. your prayer that I got inside before God outside here may not be enough, but keep on praying. And please, keep the promise. You will attend the inauguration.